I have all this stuff in my front room. Bunch of junk. Anyway, why do I have this? Oh, I did something foolish. I installed a Wardbeck console in my garage, essentially. So here you step down and there's a Wardbeck, and I think this is 30 inches here. And I think I may have to move this up. And then up here I've built this platform. And this is all test gear and stuff. And then I think I'm going to make this my server rack up here. Anyway, door, undecided. I screwed this up by an inch. But by moving the console in here now, I cleared up all of this floor space, and I'm about to move all those bins that were in the front room there into here to, just sort stuff out. But look at how much floor space I gained by moving that console out. Look how much floor space it takes up as another. You can see it sticking out there. It is almost exactly the perfect size. It is 81 inches. So now I have the lathe, the grinding. I'm going to turn this into a grinding station here. I have a bandsaw drill press station here. I have these two work caddies. Then I have my table saw. So I want to build a curtain that rides on these rails so I can go and block it off. Anyway, lots to do. Moved that, filled it up with all the bins that were stored underneath. So why about this console? I love it. It's a dream machine. I'm gonna get my Mackie speakers. It's about the size of a mobile from the 70s in TV. There might be some rack up there, some rack up there. We'll see what happens. I'm just improvising from here.